In today's video, I'll show you on how you can convert SBI saving account to salary account online. The first thing that you want to do is to open up your browser, and from here you then want to simply search for SBI saving account to salary account convert, and then you will be able to see an PDF file right here or a PDL web page. This is going to be the sbi.bank.in. Now it's really important to open up the official website right here. We will then be taken to the form of which we have to simply fill out according to our information, and below that you need to add your name, your address, date, and place, and finally you then have to add your signature right here. After filling up the PDF file, you want to click on the download, or you want to get yourself a soft copy of the PDF file right here, and then you want to head over to this specific email, gm.customer@sbi.co.in. You want to contact them and ask them to convert your SBI saving account to a salary account online. If they did not respond, you then want to take the application form to the nearest branch of SBI, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.